Meet the Galaxy S22 Ultra. It breaks the rules of mobile innovation and is truly a leap forward in mobile technology. The Galaxy S22 Ultra is simple and striking, taking its cues from the iconic design of the Galaxy Note. We seamlessly integrated the camera lenses into the phone. Its mirrored metal frame is symmetrical, giving off a real sense of balance. And it comes in 4 bold classic colors: Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and a sophisticated all-new burgundy. Last year, we opened up a new world of possibilities for the S series, making the Galaxy S21 Ultra compatible with the S Pen. And today, we're thrilled to introduce the first Galaxy S series model ever with a built-in S Pen. Our engineers and developers ingeniously fit this pen into the hardware itself, all while maintaining high performance. The S Pen helps you work and create more efficiently and with more detail than ever. Compared to the Galaxy Note 20 and the S21 Ultra, we made this display 3 times more responsive to the S Pen, not only by making hardware improvements, but by leveraging AI too. Based on extensive analysis, we enhanced our AI-based point prediction software. Now, Galaxy S22 Ultra can better predict the next point of your S Pen, so your writing and drawing will be smoother than ever. With the Galaxy S22 Ultra, we're bringing you an immersive 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x display with adaptive refresh rate. It can reach up to 120 Hz for super smooth scrolling on social media and optimized viewing for video and games, and go as low as 1 Hz to save energy when you're doing something less intensive, like looking at a photo in your gallery. Thanks to the all-new Vision Booster algorithm, Galaxy S22 Ultra has our most advanced display yet. It enriches the viewing experience, even in bright conditions, including direct sunlight. The core power of any smartphone is in its processor. The Galaxy S22 Ultra comes with a powerful 4nm processor, our fastest chip ever. That means you get phenomenal processing and graphics and peak machine learning performance, which unlocks powerful AI across the Galaxy S22 Ultra experience.
As cameras evolved and became more central to the smartphone experience, the industry raced to achieve maximum resolution. We all pushed forward to improve the quality of photos and videos without sacrificing the size and form factor of a smartphone. And Samsung ran ahead of the pack, introducing an 8K video and a 108-megapixel photo camera in a device that fits in your pocket. This camera produced a vivid 108-megapixel image using a remosaic algorithm to remap pixels into a conventional RGB pattern. Now, the Galaxy S22 Ultra's camera uses adaptive pixel to merge multiple frames into one. It combines a detailed 108-megapixel image with a non-abaining 12-megapixel image with a more light. This combination creates an optimally bright 108-megapixel image, providing crisp resolution throughout the day. But of course, the camera experience isn't only about resolution. We know that photographers enjoy switching between different lenses to capture different focal lengths. Our designers and engineers combined powerful software with a powerful hardware to introduce a quadruple lens camera with 100 times space zoom, setting yet another industry standard, expanding the kind of content you can create and putting the creative power firmly in your hands.
We're giving you more advanced functions like Pro Mode. It's a truly professional camera experience that even an amateur photographer like myself can take advantage of. In Pro Mode, you can manually adjust your shutter speed, ISO, manual focus, and white balance. And with S22, for the first time, Pro Mode gives you the choice to extend these powerful capabilities to all of your lenses, including its 2 incredible telephoto lenses, providing 3 times and 10 times optical zoom. And for the true pros out there, Expert RAW, a multi-frame-based RAW format, provides even more flexible options. The Expert RAW app opens the camera system, giving you full control of your camera's lenses, as well as autofocus, ISO, EV, and white balance settings. And with access to all of that rich metadata, you can edit like a pro directly on your Galaxy S22 with the best Galaxy camera, an embedded S Pen, a 4nm processor, and our brightest display ever. It sets a new standard for smartphones. Galaxy S22 Ultra will be available for pre-order starting today at $1,199. You can get even more color options exclusively at Samsung.com.
Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus are based on the iconic S-series design. When you look at these devices from the side, you can see a flat, elegant profile that creates an aesthetic, balanced effect. These smartphones also have a dynamic and charming color palette and are available in 4 stylish shades. Today, a lot of us express ourselves through visuals. So with the Galaxy S22 series, we set out to take that creation to a whole new level, starting with your smartphone camera. Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus bring you pro-grade camera quality across multiple lenses. A new 50-megapixel wide lens provides enhanced resolution, and its larger sensor lets in more light, so everyone will look great, day or night. There's also a new 10-megapixel tele-lens with 3 times optical zoom, which means you can travel light and still take brilliant shots. The Galaxy S22 series helps you take great photos and incredible videos, like when you're looking at a beautiful skyline. If the sun is behind you, backlighting can make it difficult to capture a great shot. But with Super HDR on your S22, you can capture once-in-a-lifetime moments in well-defined videos, even with backlighting. Look at the difference. With a new 50-megapixel wide lens with a larger sensor and a new 10-megapixel tele-lens with 3 times optical zoom, you'll get brilliant lifelike shots. This camera also pushes the boundaries of videography. Galaxy S22 will be available for $799, and S22 Plus will be available for $999. You can pre-order both, starting today. You can get even more color options exclusively at Samsung.com.
Today, we're proud to introduce a new generation of tablets designed to break the rules of work and play. Introducing the Galaxy Tab S8 series. We're introducing 3 new additions to the Galaxy Tab S8 series, including a new, incredible member of our lineup. We are bringing the power of Ultra to our tablets for the very first time with the Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra. The Tab S8 Ultra revolutionizes the industry as we know it, with its 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display. This display is clear and bright with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, which means stunning graphics and a smooth scrolling experience. Our engineers pushed the limits of innovation to build this powerful and expansive display into a slim form factor. They crafted a 6.3mm bezel, so now you can enjoy the slimmest and largest display of any Galaxy Tab yet. Compared to the Galaxy Tab S7 series, we reduced S Pen latency by more than 30%. Combined with a display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, your S Pen will glide smoothly as your ideas flow. With our most powerful performance yet and our most expansive tablet display ever, this series will bring your biggest ideas to life. Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will be available for $1,099, Tab S8 Plus for $899, and Tab S8 for $699. Pre-orders start today. And if you pre-order, you'll be able to experience the book cover keyboard on us.
And now, we're introducing new colors and patterns to our watch faces and straps. You can mix and match so you can coordinate your look your way. From more customization options to enhance your self-expression, to advanced features to put you in control of your health, we're so excited for these new updates to the Galaxy Watch 4. These updates are available today, and we can't wait to see what you do with these powerful new capabilities. We are also excited to introduce another enhanced experience that will expand your Galaxy ecosystem. Our all-new Samsung Wallet will carry your digital valuables in one convenient, secure place. You'll be able to store your IDs, credit cards, passwords, keys, and even your boarding passes. So you not only have to carry less, but you can access them anywhere. Samsung Wallet will also let you access and explore complex digital products like cryptocurrency with more ease too.
One of the biggest environmental threats to our planet is plastic pollution in our oceans. Roughly 12 million tons of plastic end up in the ocean every year. And there's one type of plastic that's especially dangerous to marine wildlife: fishing nets. Galaxy S22 is the first smartphone to incorporate repurposed fishing nets. In collaboration with industry experts, we've developed a way to recover fishing nets and repurpose them into necessary parts for our smartphones. In fact, we expect to remove more than 50 tons of old fishing nets from our oceans this year alone. Thank you for joining us. Stay safe and see you next time.